the students receiving your degrees, let me be first to say that it is indeed a great pleasure to share this day of pageantry and celebration with all of you. Commencement is a beginning and an ending point. I congratulate you on your hard work and your perseverance, the perseverance that has brought you here today. This is the end of your undergraduate experience, in some cases the end of your graduate experience. Hard work pays off, and today is payday. I wish you much joy and success in your new beginning. You have a lifetime of opportunity before you. Use it wisely. Benefit not only yourself, but others as well.
Tommy L. Hagan, cum laude. Carla M. Halliburton. Amanda Jo Heeb.